Is your toilet constantly running or turning on by itself? Test if your flapper is leaking by marking the water level of your tank with a pencil. Turn your water supply off. Wait for a minimum of 25 minutes. If your water level drops below the pencil mark, you have a leak in your tank. Leave the water off for a couple hours and see where the water level drops to. If the water level drops to the flapper, your flapper is leaking and needs to be replaced. If it drops to a point on your overflow tube, or your tank drains completely, your flush valve needs to be replaced. If your tank is not leaking and your toilet is constantly running, or water is rising into the flush valve overflow tube, your fill valve is malfunctioning. If you have a Korky valve, refer to the Korky Quiet Fill servicing video. If you don't have a Korky valve, your fill valve is malfunctioning and it needs to be replaced.